So I've got a new plan that I am going to be talking to you about what I'm going to be doing in the stock market. So I actually like doing these sit down videos because, I say sit down videos, I'm standing up, but these proper chill laid back videos because it's more for my subscribers to just watch me. And if you're new here, then great, like hit that subscribe button and hopefully you enjoy this type of content. I usually do stock market portfolio videos of my crypto and stocks. So yeah, if you enjoy this, then yeah, hit the subscribe button. But yeah, I like doing these videos, and the last one did better than I thought, to be honest with you. I didn't think it would do that well because obviously I don't put a thumbnail on, I don't like make it a proper title that would get clicks if that makes any sense. So yeah, it surprised me how well, and I got so much support from the last one, and I literally read every comment and I tried to comment back to as much as I could. And yeah, I've been away recently, so it's been hard to try and get the content out, and it's been very busy with work, which I might also do a separate complete video of just like me attempting to vlog or just showing you some of the travels when I went to Mexico, because I will be traveling a lot this year, going to quite a few different places, and I'm also going to be away next week. Well, when you're watching this, I might be there already. I want to talk to you about the fact that I am now doing a new strategy, and it's something that I should have done a long time ago, and it's trying to get over the mindset of when's the best time to buy. And I know I get this in my comments in Discord a lot, especially at the moment. SOFI, it's like, should I be buying SOFI at this price, or should I wait for it to go lower? And one thing I will say that I've realised, if you believe in that company and you feel like it's the right price, then buy it. Like, if you think this could go to this because of this growth that they're doing at 20-30%, and if you put the numbers in, it will reach this number, and it's below that number that you've put in, then yes, it's a good time to buy. And yes, it could go down 20%, 30% from the price you bought at. But if that happens, surely that's a good thing, because then you can just buy more. And if you know from your calculations that it will be this value in this future price, in the future it'll be this price, if that makes any sense. For instance, so far I'll put a graphic on screen of where I think it will go. And also Andrew Jeffries had done a base case on SOFI of being $32 a share, I think, or $35 a share, which is massive. And it's kind of similar to my price target of what I've got on my sheet, which I have shown on screen. But, so going off that example of what I've just shared there, I think buying at SOFI at $15 a share, which I've done, is a good price. And especially if I'm doing this new tactic, which I'm going to talk to you in a minute, is if the market has a correction, which it does, it has corrections, then yes, it will just drop. It will have a huge crash. It could go to $10, let's say, SOFI. So if you bought at 15 and it's gone down to $10, then yeah, you're down quite a bit. But if you've been buying every week or every month, it doesn't matter. It literally doesn't matter. And also, if it dropped that much, you could double down on it. So it's going off my new thing that I should have done ages ago, and I knew I should have done it ages ago, but it's just beating the psychological thing in your head of almost greed. It's pretty much greed, really, because if you feel like this and you know from your calculations that this stock price is going to be this amount in a year or two time or whatever, then this price in a year or two time, you would have been loving and wanting that price. But because you feel like there could be a correction or there could be a bit of a downturn, you're either worried or greedy. Because the reason why I say greedy is because you could get more shares at $10, $11. That might never come. So that's why it's always good to dollar cost average, as they say. And that's why I'm going to be now doing £1,500 a month, regardless of the price. And obviously, that's I don't mean regardless of the price, because there could be a point where SOFI is just way too much, and we do know local in the near term that it is just overpriced, and it definitely will have a drop. such as Palantir. I know that is just overvalued, so there's no point buying that because I know it can drop, and I know there's better opportunities to buy at a better valuation in other companies such as Grab and SOFI, and you could say Fubo as well, to be honest with you. Now that's what's happened. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So every month, well, I think I'm going to do it every week now, £375 a week. I'm going to be putting money into the best priced stocks that I hold. So the stocks that I hold in my portfolio, whatever the best value is, I will be buying. And if there's a drop, like I said, with SOFI, or any type of drop with any stock that I hold, that is a good price and a good value for money, I will either double down on it or go all in. So that £375 a week would go straight into one stock, whatever the best kind of value is. And at the moment, it's SOFI. I want to get 1,000 shares. That's my target for SOFI. I want to get 1,000 shares. But yeah, that's a little update and a little talk. So hopefully you did enjoy this type of video that I'm doing. And that is something I really wanted to get across, is the fact that people ask me all the time, when's the best time to get in? And it's like, do your obviously own research. Don't go off what I think, because I could be wrong. I could be wrong. But that's the whole point of investing. Some people make bad investments. Some people make great investments. It's what you think of that company and what you are seeing on the sheets and the figures of what they're giving you. So I think SOFI is growing crazy amounts from their previous earnings. They've been smashing it. They've been sandbagging it, as they say, and they've just been beating their expectations all the time. So I think they're going to have another great earnings. That's why I've been a bit more ruthless on buying some shares of SOFI, because I'm getting close to that 1,000 shares, but I do want to get that 1,000 shares. So yeah, that's the video really, and hopefully that's helped answer some of the questions. And yeah, subscribe if you're brand new to the channel and give the video a thumbs up.